Can you promise me you're not gonna shoot this?
I cannot. I wish I could, but
oh man,
some things are not possible.
All right, so last time we were here, we finished this slab. There it is, it's all done. Today we're gonna pull the forms off. We took off all the stakes and the braces that day, so actually it's still the same day, if you haven't picked up on it. It's just a different episode. Well, this is pretty straightforward. Just pull the forms off. Yeah, so those nails right there, we used those. We drove those nails into the form to hold the plate in place.
Ah, gotcha.
So now the form comes off. There's probably gonna be a nail right there. Yep. Pull it off, and then we'll just cut those nails off and done. All right, so that didn't take long. Like I said, as we were pouring, we were pulling off the stakes and the braces, so that went pretty quick. Now we're gonna plaster the sides. We got some mortar mix, and that's what those guys are doing over there. They're mixing it up, and then they're gonna plaster the sides. All right, so this is they're doing the plaster right now. So we just get some mortar mix it up, and literally just put it right there on the side of the foundation. And wait for it to dry a little bit, and then they're gonna take a sponge and they're gonna rub it and make it kind of like a sand finish. The other guys over there, they're loading up the forms. So it won't be long, we'll be out of here. You can see right there, you take a sponge. You have to wait. If you try to do it too early, you're just gonna scrape it off. But he's gonna go over it with a sponge one time, just kind of a rough pass, and then after it sets up a little more, he's gonna do it again. It just gives it a finished look. All right, we are done. As you guys can tell, we got the slab done. Again, this is gonna be the enclosed area. This is a 24 by 14. We have a porch, 10-foot porch out here in the front where Matt and his demolition friends are gonna hang out. And out there in the back, we have an 8-foot porch. It's not really a porch, that's where we're gonna put our rain collection system, AC, and whatever else we need just to kind of keep it away from being on the ground. So, done. You guys saw we plastered the sides. Makes it look a lot better. It makes it look finished. And of course you can see right here, it's slicked off really well. We have our anchor plates here and there, every corner, so we can mount or we can weld our columns for the metal building. And of course we added some color. It's gonna dry darker than regular concrete. If we seal this just with a clear sealer, it's gonna look like $1 million. So I think he's gonna be really happy with it. The door over there looks amazing, the ramp for the door. As you guys know, I had forgotten to tell my guys about it, but they took care of it. Looks great. So we have a broom finish in the front, and that porch slopes away from the building, so rain hits it, it runs off, and of course it's broom finish so that you can have some grip under your feet. We have a tin lug right here, 1.5 inches, steps into the house. Keep water out of the enclosed area. And of course we have our drain right here. And as I mentioned before, we should have put duct tape on it to cover it. So if you do yours, make sure you cover it. Anything else, Matt?
I'm pretty happy.
Matt's happy.
I think it worked out well. I mean, I don't know what I'm looking at, so you could have done anything and I'd be like, good job.
Can you promise me you're not gonna shoot this?
I cannot. I wish I could, but
Oh man.
some things are not possible.
Anyway, thank you guys for joining us. We'll see you guys next time. We are Texas Barndominiums.